This video I'm going to showcasing some of the beautiful collections, but first of all let me show you some of the collections we are introducing in our fancy loose print section, guys. Yeah, in the trolley you will be seeing many of the beautiful designs which are newly available here, and apart from that our sales executive persons are busy in the arrangement of the proper sarees. See guys how beautifully they are arranging some of the new concepts in particular fancy printwear. And guys, rather than that, we are having catalog concept also in our next section. You can see we having catalog section, and apart from that, these are the discernment. I think I say all the regional state taste you will be getting in our company, guys. No need to go 10 to 15 or 20 different shops. Just visit once in a while, guys. Just visit once in a while in our Kesaria Textile Company. 20, 25, 30 varieties we will be getting in just under one roof, guys. So, and apart from that, many of the concepts I'm going to showcasing, like these are the new arrangements we are doing in particular loose print fancy section you will be getting here. Yeah, some of the new arrangements are done here, and in this beside also some of the these, see guys how large and how beautifully arranged here, and apart from that you will be getting these kind of the wonderful items just at the factory rate. Till your last view you will see how the real manufacturer company working in the many different departments. And apart from that, guys, these are the concepts I'm going to showcasing in today's videos. You want to be seeing, like, see guys, one of these kind of the variety, like this will be the pantaloons, and this will be some of the newly varieties, and this will be some of the Sony Max. And apart from that, guys, you want to be noticing these kind of the concepts also, guys. See Imran Brasso, in which these are the concepts which are highly preferred in the southern region of India, guys. Yeah, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Tiruchi. Apart from that, many of the southern region like Karnataka, Bangalore, on that region also you will be getting these kind of the sarees also, guys. See, let me open this kind of the saree. See guys, newly arrived concepts, newly concept varieties you want to be having here. See guys, how beautiful it was. And guys, this will be the concepts you will be getting here. Very beautifully Brasso silk kind of concepts you will be getting here. See what it contains to be the name of Brasso. So let me tell you, these are some of the shaded designs work you will be getting, some of the shining work you will be getting in all around the saree. See, these are the concepts you are getting here in many of the varieties you want to be getting. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. See guys, this will be the blouse segment you will be getting, and the next one, Royal Brasso, guys. See, this one is also very beautiful. See guys, this will be the pallu part you want to be seeing here, and apart from that, like Royal Brasso, the article name you will be getting, and this will be the jaried work you will be getting here. These are the beautiful concepts, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. And apart from that, in this the designs of blouse you will be getting here, guys. On this blouse segments you will be getting here. And apart from that, guys, in some of the many beautiful Sony Max kind of concepts, like yeah, this will be article name will also be Sony Max, this will also be Sony Max with blouse, but some of the designs you will be getting here, it will be completely different, guys. That's what I'm saying here. See, this will be the whole designs of this saree you will be getting here with the beautifully printed digitalized flower work you will be getting here. And apart from that, if you want any of the fabric in the chiffon fabric, then this one for you, guys. See, beautifully, and these kind of the beautifully chiffon, Tokyo chiffon, I have to say, you will be getting here. See, and apart from that, these kind of the variety like wrinkle, guys. See, Redona wrinkle, and apart from that, pantaloons and these kind of the Kalyani silk you will be getting here. And this kind of the brasso segments also you will be getting here. See guys, all these kind of the variety. And apart from that, Mangal Sutra, these designs you will be getting here. See guys. In this also 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. This will be the pallu part you want to be getting here. See guys, this will be the pallu part you will be having here. And see, fully these kind of the heavy broad border work you will be getting here, and on the other side you will be getting these kind of the beautiful, these kind of the extraordinary sarees you will be getting in just only our Kesaria Textile Company guys. See, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting here. See guys, on that you will be getting this kind of the work. And in this also blouse segment you will be getting, like this will be the whole blouse segment. See guys, this will be the whole work between designs of the peacock, traditional Indian concepts you will be getting drawn in the whole blouse of these sarees. And apart from that guys, thank you to all to watch this video till the end, and please give your precious opinion, reviews or comments in feedbacks in our comment section. And no need to hesitate, be free and frank to call the screen available number for the further details and inquiry. Thank you.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया।